is the author of love. The Bible teaches us that God is love, and that love comes only from God.
Our day has finally arrived. There are no words to describe how happy I feel right now. As I stand here today, I thank God for bringing you into my life. I have never been more confident in any decision I have ever made. 8 years ago, I never realized what an incredible journey we were embarking upon together.
Griffin, will you take this woman to be your wife? Will you love her and comfort her, honor her and keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others? Be faithful to her only, so long as you both shall live. If so, answer, I will.
I will. You are the man of my dreams, literally. You're the most reliable man to our friends, our families, myself, and even those who don't know you from Adam.
I love your quirky humor and your obsession with helping others. I adore your deep brown eyes, the warmth of your hands, the way you sing in the kitchen.
Emily, will you take this man to be your husband, to live together in the holy covenant of marriage? Will you love him and comfort him, honor him and keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others? Be faithful to him only, so long as you both shall live. If so, answer, I will.
I will. You are the most beautiful, caring, gentle person in the world. Over the past 8 years, I have never faced life challenges without your unconditional love.
I admire your huge heart, your dedication, and I can't wait until I call you my husband, and hopefully one day, father to our children.
You are my best friend, companion, and lover, and you mean the world to me. I am so happy to become your husband. Our love together is not only for today, but for a lifetime. I love you with all of my heart, your future husband, Griffin.
Have together is so special, and I can't wait to grow old with you. Here's to more traveling, Brennan Posey, lovin's, coffee dates, and crazy fun years ahead. You're my forever. See you at the altar. Love, M.
I, Griffin,
I, Griffin,
take you, Emily,
take you, Emily,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better and worse,
for richer or poor, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish,
to hold and to cherish,
until death do us part. As God is my witness, I give you my promise. I love you.
I love you.
I, Emily,
Hi, Emily.
take you, Griffin,
Take you, Griffin,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward, for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poor,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
until death do us part.
until death do us apart.
As God is my witness,
As God is my witness,
I give you my promise.
I give you my promise.
Emily and I grew up more like sisters. She was that annoying little girl that followed me and my friends around. Everybody called her my mini-me, but now I take pride in that. I was honored to be by you as you grew up, and today as you married your best friend.
Griffin, I'm glad today has finally came, and I'm honored to be your best man. I'm lucky I was able to have a brother I could grow up and play sports with in high school, and a best friend I looked up to and still do to this day.
You will start by adding the dirt from the bride's childhood home and the groom's childhood home. This dirt symbolizes your families. It has been through their years of love and support that has helped shape the bride and groom's love.
Speaking of Emily's better half, the only person patient and gracious enough to not only handle her, but the rest of her family as well.
Therefore, I pronounce that you are husband and wife. May God bless your love, one for another, forever. Griffin, you can kiss your bride.
Who made the first move? Who is the better cook? All right, who is better at keeping surprises?
Watching you two grow together has been very special, and I can't wait to see what you two accomplish together in the future. I'm thankful that I have been able to grow up with you and share memories, and nothing less. I'm very proud of you and what you have accomplished. You are very deserving of this happy marriage that you are about to pursue.